DeepSeek versus ChatGPT, 5 things movie studios need to know. Core technology differences. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI and built on advanced transformer-based architecture, trained on a massive dataset with extensive knowledge in multiple fields, particularly excelling in creative content generation and storytelling. DeepSeek, developed in China, is optimized for data analysis and multilingual processing, with a strong focus on Chinese language applications and other Asian markets. With Movie Studio, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for scriptwriting, dialogue creation, and creative brainstorming. DeepSeek is better suited for market research, script localization, and data-driven content optimization. Creativity and content generation. ChatGPT is designed to be highly creative, capable of generating full-length scripts, developing characters, and providing plot twists that align with Hollywood-style storytelling. DeepSeek more focused on logical analysis and structured content refinement. ChatGPT can help screenwriters generate new ideas and create marketing content. DeepSeek helping studios tailor their scripts for specific markets. Language processing and translation capabilities. For global movie studios, multilingual support is a crucial factor in choosing between DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. ChatGPT offers strong multilingual translation and excels in writing natural, human-like dialogue in various languages. DeepSeek is highly optimized for East Asian languages, making it a valuable tool for studios targeting Chinese, Japanese, and Korean audiences. So which AI is better for movie studios? The choice between DeepSeek versus ChatGPT depends on the specific needs of a movie studio. Best approach for studios: ChatGPT can be used for generating original ideas and writing scripts. DeepSeek can then analyze audience preferences and suggest improvements to maximize market appeal. To conclude, ChatGPT is ideal for creative content, while DeepSeek excels in market-driven optimizations and multilingual processing.